Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to read off values from a conversion graph on miles and kilometres. So let's have a look at our first example. So question 1, we've got to use the graph to convert 12 kilometres into miles. So first of all, check your axes. You've got miles going along the bottom from 0 to 10. And on the y-axis we've got our kilometres, which go from 0 to 20. So we've got to work out the value in miles for 12 kilometres. So we need to go to our kilometre scale, which is on the y-axis. So there is 12. So if we do a line going across, and a line going down. So it looks like it is halfway between the 7 and the 8. So 12 kilometres will be 7.5 miles. So let's look at our second example then. So we've got to use the graph to convert 5 miles into kilometres. So this time we're given the miles, which is on the x-axis. So we need to go to 5 here. So we do a vertical line going upwards and then a horizontal line going across. And if we read off this number here, it's looking like the answer is 8 kilometres. So our final example then is use the graph to convert 160 kilometres into miles. So this is a harder question because 160 kilometres is not on the y-axis. So what I'm going to do instead is read off another value so I can then figure out what 160 is. Now the one I'm going to do is I'm going to read off 16 kilometres because it's easy to multiply that answer by 10 because 16 goes into 160 10 times. So if I start off with 16 kilometres, so that is on the y-axis here. So if I read that off, do a line going across and a line going down, we get an answer of 10 miles. So we now can use this to figure out what 160 is, because 160 is 10 times bigger than 16. So all we have to do is multiply the other side by 10. 10 times 10 is 100 miles. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.